Morning, dear students. Welcome back to our lesson, How Do Organisms Reproduce. So just now we have seen the male reproductive system. In that various parts we have seen. So now we'll go for the specially for the structure of testis. See, students, testis is the singular or testicle is a singular, but testes is plural. We have means human male have a two tests. Okay, testis is a singular. Okay, so here what happens, how the structure of the tests is designed, or how the structure of the testes, one testis is designed into the human male. We will see here. This always testes or tests are always paired, oval shaped, and male sex organ present in below the abdominal cavity. Here one important thing I would like to know you students. See, whenever the baby is in the womb of the mother, if the male baby is in the womb of the mother, these testes are into the abdominal cavity. Okay, and when the child is taking birth from the womb of the mother, these are coming down immediately. When the child is coming from the womb of the mother, immediately it is coming down. Okay, means these are getting down from the abdominal cavity. Till that these are in the abdominal cavity. Okay, and whenever the child is taking birth, this comes down immediately. Means these are actually out of the abdominal cavity, right? This abdominal, why it is out of the abdominal cavity, that also we will see. Okay, but immediately when the child is taking, male child is taking birth, immediately these are coming down from the abdominal cavity. These are in the abdominal cavity, nicely kept into the abdominal cavity, into the human male. But whenever the baby is coming out, at that time it comes out. Okay, so this is one important thing about the testes. Okay, and this testes are producing the male sex hormone, that is testosterone. Okay, testosterone is produced by the this testes. So what happens, how is the structure is designed into the testes, we will see. Testes are always oval shaped. Okay, I said you, these testes are always oval shape, and this testis contains this compartment, this room like structure, compartment like structure is present into the testis, and that compartment like structure is called as a seminiferous lobules. See a student, one more time, testis is the oval shaped structure, and this oval shaped structure 15 to 20 compartment like structure is present, or the room like structure, small room like structure is present, and that small compartment like structure is called as a seminiferous lobules. Okay, and this seminiferous lobules are always 15 to 20. Always seminiferous lobules are present 15 to 20 in this oval shaped male sex organ, that is testis. I hope you understand it, which is paired always. We are going to talk about one test, the inner portion, how it is designed. Okay, inside this compartment like structure, the thin tube like structure is present. Okay, first we have seen the compartment like structure is present, and that compartment like structure is called as a lobules, and this always in a one test always 15 to 20 lobules are present, and in that lobule is called as a seminiferous lobule. Okay, and in that seminiferous lobule there are small tube like structure is there, and that tube like structure is called as a seminiferous tubule. Okay, means every compartment 3 to 4 seminiferous tubules are present. I hope you understand. This is the compartment like structure which is called as a seminiferous lobule, and this seminiferous lobule contains 3 to 4 seminiferous tubule, means tube like structure. Okay, and in that tube like structure the small cells are also present. Means in this compartment a small cells are also present, and these cells are called as a Leydig cells. These cells are called as a Leydig cells, and these Leydig cells are responsible for the release of testosterone hormone. I hope you understand, student. This Leydig cell is called as a, these Leydig cells are responsible for the release of the testosterone hormone. Okay, and this seminiferous, why it is said seminiferous? Because it helps in the testosterone to move ahead, or this testosterone is important whenever it is released, so that it is called as a seminiferous tubules. But this seminiferous tubules are 3 to 4 and lobules are 15 to 20. After that it is reaching to this part, and what that part is called we will see in the next video. So this is all about the structure of the testis. Good morning dear students, welcome back to our lesson, that is how do organisms reproduce.